Hello good people, welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to assemble my vacuum cleaner. It's a dry vacuum cleaner. It doesn't operate on both the wet and dry, it only works on dry surfaces. Yes, let us start by unboxing some few things over here. We have some little items that we need to remove from the box. We have the hose pipe. It's the one that connects to the dust bag, and the nozzles and the brushes. As you can see, it's very flexible. And then we have the plastic vacuum tube. So it only helps in like making the tube long, the handle long, so that you're able to move around your house or wherever you want to clean. This is the scrubbing floor brush. It's the one that you're going to use. It's the one that is used to clean the floor surfaces. And then over here we have another plastic vacuum tube. Yes, as you can see. So the only purpose for the tubes is just to elongate the whole thing, to make it long so that you're able to move around the house. Because when it's short and you connect it to the power, it will be a bit hectic for you to move around. So that's why it's made to be long, so that you're able to move around your house. Now this one is a bit heavy. It's called the dust bag. It's the one that holds the dust after vacuuming, and it's a bit heavy, but I loved it because it has wheels so that you're able to move with it. You see, it's simple to move around with it. Yes, and also has a handle where you can carry it and move around with it. So these are the nozzles. We have the small brush. Yes, and then the nozzle. These are used to clean surfaces like sofa sets. You can clean your bed, your wall, curtains. Yes. So this is the dust bag. After you've finished cleaning your place, you remove this one so that you're able to remove the dust. You open this thing over here so that you're able to remove the dust, and then clean it, and then return it to its right place. Yes, so these are the buttons for on and off, for connecting to the power, and the other one it's for switching on and off when you're using the dust bag, the vacuum cleaner. And we have the cable to connect to power. So this is the manual for instructions on how you're going to use the vacuum cleaner. So you can read this one, or you can scan it and then read it online, so that you are able to connect the pipes and the tubes and the nozzles plus the brushes. Yes, so next step is assembling everything together so that we can start to demonstrate how it's going to work. First of all, as you can see, started by assembling the scrubbing brush to the plastic vacuum tube, and the hose pipe, and then the hose pipe I connected it to the dust bag, as you can see. Yes, so as you can see, it's a bit long for me to move around the house, which was to my advantage. Yes, so this is the power cable, the one I'm going to connect it to power. There we go. And then I was testing how I can move it around. After connecting it to the power, it was time to try and see how it works. So I switched it on and then started doing some trials, trying to vacuum. It's my first time doing it, so we do it slowly until we are pros. Yes, there we go. How it works is the brush, it's called the scrubbing brush. So when it's on, it's like it's sucking the dust, so inatumia a lot of pressure to suck the dust. So una feel the pressure, unasikia imeshika kabisa the carpet. Then I went ahead and tried the second nozzle. This is me connecting it to the hose pipe. Yes, this is the nozzle. So it works by sucking the dust from, the corner of maybe your sofa set, the places that you can't reach. So you use it to suck off the dust from it. Yes, you can also use it to it's called what? To dust your bed also. As you can see, that is me doing my level best. This time we are only trying. We're only trying to see how it works. I'm not a pro. We're just trying. Yeah. So the third one, it's the small brush. It's the small brush. Again, I connected it to the hose pipe. So this brush, you can use it to clean your curtains. You can use it to dust off your curtains. Also places that you can't reach, like the top of the wall, corners of your sofa sets. As you can see, it's a small brush. At first I thought it was a hard task, but after trying the three of them, the three types, it wasn't bad at all. Yes. There we go. So this time I was just trying out to see how it works. So at this time I was just trying it out, just to perfect my ability to use the vacuum cleaner. And you can use the small brush and the nozzle to clean your car. That is if you're near somewhere you can connect it to power. Yes, but this one you only use it on a dry surface, not on a wet surface, only on a dry surface. Yes, so far so good. And that is it, guys. So I switched it off, and see you on my next vlog. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys.